Okay, now here both the participating functions fx and gx are in piecewise form and we have to find composite function f of gx. क्या करेंगे? In function fx we replace x with gx everywhere. Okay, so we have f of gx is equal to gx plus 1 if gx is less than 0, we are replacing x with gx, okay, and g square x if gx is greater than or equal to 0. Okay, now here we write function gx. We have two possibilities, x cube for x less than 1 and 2x minus 1 for x greater than or equal to 1. Okay, so what do we do? We consider all the possibilities. हम यहाँ पे सारी possibilities consider करेंगे. एक बार gx को x cube रखेंगे, एक बार 2x minus 1 रखेंगे. So we get x cube plus 1 where x cube is less than 0. Also, we have x less than 1. We can use gx as x cube. We can write gx as x cube only if x is less than 1. तो साथ में हमें ये भी लिखना पड़ेगा. Okay. Now, we replace gx with 2x minus 1. So, we have here 2x. 2x minus 1 plus 1 is 2x. So, we have 2x for 2x minus 1 less than 0 for x greater than or equal to 1. होप समझ में आ रहा है हम कैसे लिख रहे हैं ब्रांचेस. Then we write branches for this g square x. Once we replace gx with x cube, so we get x power 6 for x cube greater than or equal to 0 and x less than 1. ठीक है. Next we will have 2x minus 1 square where 2x minus 1 greater than or equal to 0. Here we replace we write gx is equal to 2x minus 1. Okay, so we have 2x minus 1 greater than or equal to 0 but x greater than or equal to 1. ठीक है यहाँ तक. Okay, now we will take common values. यहाँ पे इन सभी दोनों इंटरवल्स के हम common values लेंगे. We will have x cube less than 0. From this we will have x less than 0, x less than 0 and x less than 1. Common values will be x less than 0. Okay, then we have this. From this we get x less than 1 upon 2, x less than 1 upon 2 and x greater than or equal to 1. So there will be no common values. यहाँ पे कोई common value नहीं मिलेगा. So this is not possible. This branch is not possible. Okay. Then we have this x cube greater than or equal to 0 means x is greater than or equal to 0 and x less than 1. So we have here 0 less than or equal to x less than 1. Okay, and for this we have x greater than or equal to 1 upon 2 and x greater than or equal to 1. So we get x greater than or equal to 1. Okay, so we have here three branches for function f of gx. X cube plus 1 for x less than 0, x power 6 for 0 less than or equal to x less than 1 and 2x minus 1 square for x greater than or equal to 1. So domain of function is set R. यहाँ पे सारे real values cover हो रहे हैं. Domain is set R. What will be range of function? Function का range क्या होगा? For x less than 0, x cube will be less than 0. So x cube plus 1 will be less than 1. Okay. So range of this branch is minus infinity to open interval 1. Okay. For this values of x, x power 6 will lie in close interval 0 to 1. This is the range of this branch function. Okay. And for x greater than or equal to 1, 2x minus 1 will be greater than or equal to 1. So its square values will lie in interval, close interval 1 to infinity. Okay, so this is range of this branch function. Now we take union of these intervals. इन सभी का union लेंगे and union is minus infinity to plus infinity. Okay, so range of function is set R. Function का domain set R है, function का range भी set R. Okay, you can try function g of fx. आप try करें g of fx निकालने का. Okay. Now here we have one alternative method. We have a graphical method. Let's check graphical method. In this method, we first draw the graph of inner function. Here inner function is gx because here we have conditions on gx. So we draw the graph of inner function. gx का ग्राफ ड्रॉ करते हैं. You can use this method when it is easy to draw the graph of inner function. Gx is x cube for x less than 1. Okay, graph of x cube is like this. Okay, so we draw the graph at x is equal to 1, x cube is 1. So we have graph like this, graph of x cube for x less than 1. Okay, then we have 2x minus 1 for x greater than or equal to 1. At x is equal to 1, value of 2x minus 1 will be 1. Okay, so we have a continuous function. Okay, and we have a straight line like this. This is y is equal to 2x minus 1, and this is y is equal to x cube. Okay, now we have function f of gx. It is gx plus 1 if gx is less than 0. Now when gx is negative, gx is negative for x less than 0. Okay, so here we replace gx with x cube. This is y is equal to x cube. ठीक है, क्या कर रहे हैं हम? gx less than 0 check कर रहे हैं. For gx less than 0 we have this part of the graph, and this is function x cube. Okay, and this is for x less than 0. So we have x cube plus 1 where x is लेस देन 0. x लेस देन 0 के लिए x क्यूब प्लस 1 ब्रांच होगा. ठीक है, इस फंक्शन के लिए. Then we have gx greater than or equal to 0, which is here. First we have x cube, then 2x minus 1. For 0 less than or equal to x less than 1, we have gx is equal to x cube. So here for this values of x, we replace gx with x cube. So we have here x power 6. For 0 less than or equal to 1 less than 1, and for x greater than 1, gx is 2x minus 1. So for x greater than or equal to 1, in fact we have x greater than or equal to 1. Here we replace gx with 2x minus 1. So we have 2x minus 1 whole square for x greater than or equal to 1. ठीक है, तो एक graphical method है, simple है. We use this method when it is easy to draw the graph of inner function, first function. ठीक है, let's have one more example. Okay, let's try this question. We have functions fx and gx in piecewise form, and we have to find composite function g of fx. How we start? In function gx, replace x with fx. We get g of fx is equal to fx plus 1, where fx is less than 2. We replace x with fx everywhere, here and here, सब जगह पे replacement करेंगे. ठीक है, and we have then f square x minus 1, where fx is greater than or equal to 2. Okay, now we use branch functions of fx here. Okay, we use we consider all the possibilities. We have, first we use this branch log x, so we have log x plus 1. Okay, where log x is less than 2. Also 0 less than x less than 1. We can use fx as a log x only if 0 less than x less than 1. तो साथ में ये भी आएगा. Okay, then we replace fx with x square minus 1. We get here x square, where x square minus 1 less than 2 and x greater than or equal to 1. For fx is equal to x square minus 1, x is greater than or equal to 1. तो साथ में यहाँ पे ये भी आएगा. Okay, now from this we get, first we put fx is equal to log x. We get log x square minus 1, where log x is greater than or equal to 2 and 0 less than x less than 1. Next we have x square minus 1 square minus 1, where x square minus 1 greater than or equal to 2 and x greater than or equal to 1. Okay, now we take intersection of solutions. From this we have x less than e square. यहाँ से हमें मिलेगा x less than e square, and e square is more than 1. So intersection will be open interval 0 to 1. Okay, and from here we have x square less than 3. X square less than 3 means x belongs to minus root 3 to root 3. Also x is greater than or equal to 1. So here we have interval close interval 1 to open interval root 3. From this we get x greater than or equal to e square. E square is more than 1. Okay, so there will be no intersection here. Intersection will be null set. So this branch is not possible. This is ruled out. ठीक है, ये ब्रांच नहीं आएगा कि यहाँ पे x की कॉमन वैल्यूज हमें नहीं मिल रही है. ओके, फ्रॉम दिस वी हैव एक्स स्क्वायर ग्रेटर देन और इक्वल टू 3. So x will be less than or equal to minus root 3 or greater than or equal to root 3, and its intersection with this will be close interval root 3 to infinity. Okay, so we have branches of function g of fx, log x plus 1 for this values of x, x square for this values of x, and square of x square minus 1 for this values of x. Domain of function is function का domain क्या होगा? Domain of function is open interval 0 to infinity. Okay, now let's find range of this function. When x approaches to 0, log x approaches to minus infinity, so log x plus 1 also approaches to minus infinity, and when x approaches to 1, log x approaches to 0, hence log x plus 1 approaches to 1. So range of this branch function is minus infinity to open interval 1. For this values of x, x square lies in interval, close interval 1 to open interval 3. Okay, for x greater than or equal to root 3, x square will be greater than or equal to 3. So x square minus 1 will be greater than or equal to 2. Its square will be greater than or equal to 4. So this minus 1 will be greater than or equal to 3. Okay, so range of this branch function is close interval 3 to infinity. Then we take here union of the sets. Okay, and we find range as minus infinity to infinity. Range of function is set up. This is domain of function and this is range of function. Okay, now let's use the graphical method. Now what is the algorithm for graphical method? We first draw the graph of inner function. Here inner function is fx. fx का graph draw करते हैं. Here we have coordinate axis. Okay, x-axis, y-axis, and origin. We have fx is equal to log x for x belongs to 0 to 1. Okay, so we have here log x for 0 to 1. At 1 value of log x is 0. Okay, and for x greater than or equal to 1 we have quadratic x square minus 1. At x is equal to 1 value is 0. So we have this graph. This is x square minus 1, y is equal to x square minus 1, and this is y is equal to log x to the base e. Okay, now first we have fx less than 2. Okay, so we draw line y is equal to 2 here. This is line y is equal to 2. Put it y is equal to 2, we get x is equal to root 3. Here we have x is equal to root 3. Okay, so for fx less than 2 we have two possibilities, either log x or x square minus 1. Log x for 0 to 1 and x square minus 1 for 1 to root 3. Okay, so we have here, first we consider interval 0 less than x less than 1. Okay, for this interval we have fx is equal to log x, so we replace here fx with log x, we get log x plus 1. Okay, then we consider this interval 1 less than or equal to x less than root 3. Okay, we have here fx less than 2, so we will have here less than root 3. For this values of x we have fx is equal to x square minus 1. So here in this branch we replace fx with x square minus 1. यहाँ पे replace करेंगे, यहाँ पे नहीं. ठीक है, so we have here x square for this values of x, and for x greater than or equal to root 3 we have fx is equal to x square minus 1. Okay, here we have fx greater than or equal to 2, for which x is greater than or equal to root 3. So in this branch we replace fx with x square minus 1. So we have this branch function for fx greater than or equal to 2 और x greater than or equal to √3। तो ग्राफिकल मेथड भी यूज किया जा सकता है, आसान है क्योंकि यहाँ पे fx का ग्राफ ड्रॉ करना आसान है। ओके